I have my pocket here, and in this video, sorry, it's kind of hard to see the pocket, I'm going to just sew the top of my pocket down so that my raw edges are enclosed and nothing is going to fray and it will look nice and professional. So I'm going to take my machine and I'm going to do 3/8 inch seam allowance. If you would like to, you can actually just sew as close to the edge as possible. So I'm going to zoom in kind of close so you can see. So this is what 3/8 looks like right here. There's my 3/8 and I'm lining up with that line. But if you would like, you could just sew right as close as possible to the edge. And that makes it even a little bit more professional. But if you're feeling a little unsure and not quite so confident, it's totally fine to do 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to do 3/8 of an inch. And I'm going to make sure that the whole time I'm sewing, I'm catching this fold. If I'm not catching the fold, then I probably need to adjust before I get there. So I'm going to start here. I'll go forward 3 stitches. I'm doing 3/8 inch seam allowance, going forward 3 stitches. And then I'll back stitch. And then I go forward 3 stitches and keep sewing. As I approach a needle, I'm going to pull it out of the way, my pin's out of the way, and I'll keep sewing. This whole time I sew, I want to make sure I'm staying at 3/8 inch and I'm catching this fold. If I'm not going to catch the fold, so say like over here, I was not going to catch the fold, then I would just adjust and put a pin in it so that it would stay until I get a little bit closer. And that's how you would solve that problem. Take my pins out as I get close to them. Then I'm going to back stitch when I get to the end. And I'm going to trim my threads really quick. I'm just doing that on the side of my machine here. But you could also use your scissors. And now I have a really nice, it's kind of hard to see on the video, but really nice, neat line that should be pretty straight. You can see that 3/8 inch along the top.